Hello everyone, I am Hemant and Patil. So yesterday we discussed about the Linux architecture as I said. So Linux architecture contains four parts. So the first one is hardware and the second one is kernel and third one is shell, and after that we have an application. So when we run commands, so first it will go to shell and shell will talk to kernel, and kernel will get all the resources and data from the hardware. So today I'm going to explain the difference between user space and kernel space in Linux architecture. So user space is the space where we run the applications. So for example, so just imagine you have a one Windows laptop. So in that you are running many different applications like Docker, Kubernetes, VS Code, Photos, and WhatsApp, Instagram. So those all application comes under user space, and there is another space in Linux architecture. So that is kernel space. So in Linux, kernels hold the power of processes and process management, memory management, and all. And in Linux, suppose if we run some commands, so we need to change our privileges from user space to kernel space. For example, so just imagine you have to read one file in Linux. So for that you need to use a cat command. So you will write as a cat file.txt. So then, so when you write this command, on that time you have the privilege to access only user space. So in Linux, so there is one term called system call. So with the help of system call, you will change your user privilege to kernel privilege. So that's why you are able to read that file text. So for reading that file text, you need to have the privileges of kernels. So this is the whole bunda of user space and kernel space. So user space is the space where we run the application, and kernel will provide all the resources. So thank you.